Yeah, my pans are all messed up, man. You got nothing to do? Go clean the bottom of your pans. You always got something to do. Look at that side. Would you eat on that? Well, you're trying to heat through that. So I am going to. Turn that around where we can read it. Can I read it? I probably can't. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Yeah, we're slowly wearing off the label, but these things are probably, I don't know, 10 years old or more, maybe 20, I don't know. Or you can either clean these for Valentine's Day and see if she even notices. I'm saying she will. If she doesn't, then you're eating out too much. Yeah, these are actually being used, not daily, but at least one of these is used every day. These are good quality, I would call them professional grade, from KitchenAid. I'm going to look it up now and see how much these things are actually worth. See, it's nice and new. Okay, I've got it as clean as I can with the buffing wheel and a sander. Now, take one of these little billow pads and see what we can do. This is the pan, obviously, that gets used the most. Okay, let's see how long it takes them to realize it. Well, this is the last pan. I didn't even know we still had this pan. It's been in that, taking up a drawer space. But look at that. Looks to me like it's got some nicks in it. I'm not sure this is even safe to use. Until I decide not to use it, I'm going to go ahead and clean the bottom off. Well, that looks a little better. And it sits, look, it sits flat. I'd say you could probably cook with that and have some. Cleaning these glass top stoves has been a controversy. They always say not to use anything abrasive or blah blah blah. What I use is, this is Dawn, about 50-50 mix of Dawn and water. I just spray it down when I'm done, when dinner's over. Usually my wife makes dinner and I use it to clean up. And then I just take one of these, what do you call this thing? Scotch-Brite. Just swirl it around. It's not going to get all of it off. It'll get the major part of it off. Just swirling around, clean it all up, and wipe it off, period. I'll show you the final result when I'm done. It's not going to look like brand new. I mean, Brillo Basics, look what they're made to do. Yeah,